Have you ever frozen in an English conversation even though you knew the words? That's exactly where we begin today. Hey everyone, and welcome to Enlighten Pro, the place where English becomes your daily superpower. I'm Emily, and today is day one of something very special. We're starting a 15-day English fluency challenge with one short, powerful episode every single day. Each one is filled with real-life phrases and expressions that native speakers actually use. And yes, you'll learn them through fun, emotional mini-stories, just like today. Now, let me tell you a little story. It's not just any story, it's my story, and maybe it's a little bit of yours too. A few weeks ago, I stood in front of a coffee shop counter in a big city. The barista smiled and said, "What can I get you?" I froze. My mind went blank. I knew the words, but in that moment, I couldn't speak. Later that day, I opened an email. It said, "We were impressed by your skills, but since our clients are international, we need someone fluent in English." Ouch, that stung. That night, I looked in the mirror and said, "No more waiting. It's time to take English seriously. I need to speak with confidence. I need to sound natural. I need to be ready for the world." Does that sound familiar to you? Maybe you've been studying English for years, but still feel shy, stuck, or unsure. Or maybe you understand a lot, but when it's time to speak, nothing comes out. You are not alone. So, let's talk about why learning English is so important. Why do we need to learn this language? What are the benefits we will have? To answer these questions, learning English is a powerful tool, and English can truly change your life. Here are some powerful reasons why English is important. Number 1, English gives you freedom. For example, freedom to travel, to work, to connect with people around the world. It's like a passport, but for your voice. All right, reason number 2. English opens doors, gives you new chances like job opportunities, scholarships, online business, allows you to use most of the internet, research, and global communication. It's in English. And the last reason we've got is English builds confidence. When you speak clearly and naturally, you feel proud. You're no longer the quiet one. You become the confident one. Now let's learn some real phrases from today's story. Here are 5 native phrases you heard earlier. Please write them in your notebook and try to use them. Okay, first phrase that we used in the story is, "My mind went blank." What does that mean, my mind went blank? This means I forgot everything in the moment. Let's try example with this phrase. I knew the answer, but when the teacher called on me, my mind went blank. Second phrase, that stung. We say this when something hurts, emotionally, or when we regret something. Let's try this example. When I didn't get the job I really wanted, that stung. Or we can say, when I can't speak English, that stung. Moving to the third phrase, no more waiting. It means it's time to act right now. Stop postponing tasks. For example, no more waiting, I'm starting my English journey today. Okay, phrase number 4. Take something seriously. This means to commit to something with focus and intention. For example, I decided to take my health seriously this year. Now, last phrase. Be ready for the world. It means be confident, skilled, and prepared for life. For example, with strong English, you'll be ready for the world. Try saying those phrases out loud. Try writing them in your own sentences, because that's how real learning happens. All right, our amazing learners, that's all for today's episode, and we hope you enjoyed it. Your mission today: ask yourself, why do you want to speak English fluently? Write your answer in the comments. Let's support each other and build this learning family together. Don't forget, subscribe now, give us a like, and hit the bell so you never miss a day. Enlighten Pro is here daily, helping you speak English like a native with no stress, no boring grammar, just real conversation skills. And get ready, because tomorrow is day 2, where I meet someone who changes everything. This is going to be amazing. You've got this. I believe in you. See you in the next episode.